Welcome back to Writing with Miss Maxie. Hey, everybody. We are still in step 3, and we still have our same materials as usual. So let's review. Step 3, read and gather evidence. Read your text and gather information to use in your writing. So yesterday we finished up reading our first text, the one that was called Seeing Differently by Amy Lynn. Today we're going to read our second source text, and this one is more picture heavy. Just like when we learned about the Powhatan, the first article was a lot of words, and the next one was a lot of pictures. But pictures and words are both useful tools in writing because they both can teach us information. So again, you'll need your writing book and a pencil. Our I can statements. I can read and identify two source texts. I can identify characters, setting, and events, and I can locate details to use in a narrative. We are opening up our books to page 47 today, and you will see it say Source Text 2, Helen Keller, A Picture Story. So, we are going to read this text as a reader, first of all. So let's go ahead and do that. Helen Keller, A Picture Story, illustrated by Linda Bleck. First, but then, finally. Okay, so these captions here, what do they help tell us? What is the purpose of a caption? Captions help tell us what's in the picture, right? And what about these words, these time order words? First, but, then, and finally. They help us tell a sequence of events. So first, what's happening in this first picture? What do you think? It looks to me like this is Helen Keller and this is Anne Sullivan. And Anne Sullivan is trying to tap a word on Helen's hand, but this is the second picture, but Helen looks kind of sad, like she doesn't really understand. And Anne Sullivan looks concerned. Then what's happening here? We can use our prior knowledge about yesterday's reading to infer that this is the water scene where Helen finally understands in this fourth picture that tracing a W, an A, a T, an E, and a R means water. She could feel the water, and she felt Anne Sullivan spelling water on her hand. So she began to understand that the letters make the words, and the words describe what's happening, the water. Okay. So you can now take this next couple minutes to pause the video, and I want you to tell this story in your own words. I just told you what I saw, what I thought was happening, but I want to hear it in your own words. So go ahead and pause your video and then whisper to your screen or tell a friend or a family member what you see happening in these pictures. And come back when you're ready to continue. All right, hopefully you have taken this time to tell a friend or a family member what you saw happening in the pictures. That's pretty much all I have for you for writing today. to just familiarize yourself with our two source texts, A Picture Story and Seeing Differently. And think about the difference between them, how Seeing Differently told us a story in words, and how A Picture Story told us the same story using pictures. So yeah, that's all for today, except I do have a quick write for you that is posted on Schoology as well. I just want you to answer this question. Why do you think the writer uses pictures and captions to tell this story? All right, so you can upload your answer in Schoology, and I will see you guys all tomorrow. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.